Good morning, students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. Now, today I am going to discuss that mains 2nd September 2020, shift 2 questions. These are memory based questions. So, I am requesting you, still not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and like the channel, share to your friends. Now, I am going to discuss that in part 1, 5 questions. See the first question, what they are given. If ABC belongs to capital R such that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 2 and determinant ABC, BCA, CAB is equal to 0, then find ABC. Now expand the determinant, that is we get A into BC minus A square minus B into B square minus AC plus C into AB minus C square, that is equal to 0. Calculate this, we get 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube is equal to 0. Now 3ABC, that is equal to, this value send right hand side, A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So already we know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube value already given in the question. That value is 2. Now ABC is equal to 2 by 3. This is a very easy question in matrices. Okay. Next, I'm going to second question. This is a limits related problem. Substitute the limit directly. You will get 1 power infinite. This is 1 power infinite model. Now, how to apply the formula? We know that e power limit x tends to 0, f of x minus 1 into g of x. So f of x means tan pi by 4 plus x minus 1 into g of x means that is 1 by x. Now e power limit x tends to 0, tan pi by 4 plus x. What is the formula? 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x minus 1 into 1 by x. Here, observe the calculation. E power limit x tends to 0. Here, take the LCM in the denominator. That is 1 minus tan x. This is the LCM. And the numerator we get minus 1 plus tan x. Minus 1 plus 1 is going to cancel. We get 2 tan x into 1 by x. The 1 by x I am going to write x I am going to write in the denominator. Here observe that limit x tends to 0, tan x by x value is how much? It is 1. Now in place of x substitute the limit tan 0, 0. We get finally e power 2 into 1 divided by 1 minus 0, that is e square. This is also a very easy problem, but this is 1 power infinite model. Remember it? Formula. Okay. So if you know formula, we get answer easily. Next, I'm going to third question. See this? If sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus k is equal to 0 has a real solution, then range of k is, range they are asking. Now, sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, that is sine power 4 theta, we can write sine squared theta whole square plus cos power 4 theta means we can write cos squared theta whole square plus k is equal to 0. This is in the form of a square plus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That means 2 sine square theta cos square theta plus k is equal to 0. Here already we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. 1 square means 1 minus here multiplying and dividing with 2. So I am dividing with 2 and multiplying 2 means we get 4. 4 I am writing 2 square. 2 square sine square theta cos square theta means that is 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. 2 sine theta cos theta means formula sine 2 theta. Overall we get sine square 2 theta plus k is equal to 0. Now k is equal to 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta minus 1. Here they are asking range. So but sine square value is lies between 0 to 1. Okay. Now multiply with 1 by 2 on both sides. 0, 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta less than or equal to 1 by 2. Here what is there extra? Minus 1. Add minus 1 on both sides. So minus 1 less than or equal to 1 by 2 sine square 2 theta minus 1 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. Now this is minus 1 less than or equal to, this is k less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 means that is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, a range of k is closed interval minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Okay, this is also easy question. Next, I am going to fourth question. So this is a derivative related question. Now here observe that if y is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse of 3 by 5 cos kx minus 4 by 5 sin kx. Here cos inverse is there. This is also convert into cos. Take one right angle triangle. This is 5. This is 3. This is 4. This is take alpha. 3 by 5 means what we can write? Cos alpha. 4 by 5 means sin alpha. Then we get cos A cos B minus sin A sin B form. So y is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse of 3 by 5 means right cos alpha into cos kx minus 4 by 5 means sin alpha into sin kx. Now this is totally, we are going to write cos of a plus b cos kx plus alpha. Here cos inverse is there now. Cos inverse cos is going to cancel. We get sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k into kx plus alpha. Kx plus alpha. Now here multiply with k. Then what happened? Sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k square x plus k alpha. Now here apply the differentiation. What happened? Derivative on both sides with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 to 6. Here k square is constant. Derivative of x is 1 plus k alpha is a constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Now we got finally sigma k is equal to 1 to 6 k square. Now this is sigma n square formula, like that is said. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n means 6. N into n plus 1, 7. 2n plus 1, 13. 13. Okay. Now calculate this. Divided by 6. 6 cancel. 13 sevens are 91. This is the answer. This is a very easy question. Now go to the fifth question. This is a tangent normal related problem. So read the question, what they are given. Y is equal to 1 plus x whole power 2y plus cos square of sine inverse x be a curve, then find equation of the normal at x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 means, then what happened? Y, verify that. Find out y value. Y is equal to, substitute 1 plus 0 whole power 2y plus cos square sine inverse of 0. 1 power 2y, that is 1. Sine inverse of 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. So we get the point. The point is x comma y is equal to 0 comma 2. They are asking equation of normal, but we need slope of normal now. So first find slope of tangent. Apply the differentiation. Dy by dx, that is equal to, this is f of x power g of x, like that is said. Now we know that formula, 1 plus x whole power 2y into 2y divided by 1 plus x plus 2y dash into logarithm of 1 plus x. So f of x power g of x is there, means apply logarithm on both sides. Y is equal to f of x power g of x means apply logarithm on both sides, then do the differentiation. Already you know very well, I think. I am written shortcut formula. Plus here cos square of sine inverse x is there. Cos square of sine inverse x means how to write? Cos inverse of root 1 minus x square. So cos inverse cos is going to cancel, and square root 1 minus x square whole square, that is 1 minus x square. This is cos square of sine inverse x value 1 minus x square. Now do the differentiation, we get 0 minus 2x. Okay, now slope of tangent dy by dx at point 0 comma 2. Already we got the point now. Substitute. Here we get 1 power 2 into 2, 1 power 4, that is 1 into 4 by 1 plus 0 plus 2 into y dash. Here observe that in place of x substitute 0. 1 plus 0, that is 1, log 1, 0, plus into minus, 2 into 0. Okay, now finally do the calculation. We get 4. This is slope of tangent. What is slope of normal? Slope of normal, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. And point already we know that 0 comma 2. Find equation of normal. Apply the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus 0. Take the cross multiplication. 4y plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. So write in order. x plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation of normal. These are 5 questions are very easy. Students, all of you understood now? If you are understood, like the channel, share the channel, and most important, subscribe the channel. Whenever I upload videos, you'll get first notification. Thank you. I will make second part within 1 hour.